to show you how to get digital dice for your Google Slides. Let's get started. The second slide in your Google Slides file will be the directions page. At the bottom of this page, you will see a link to get the free digital dice. Click the link. A new page will open for the Chrome Web Store, and you will see the extension called Dice Thrower. Click the blue button on the right titled Add to Chrome. When you see the pop-up, click Add Extension. Dice Thrower extension has now been added to your Chrome browser. Next, you'll want to pin the dice to your toolbar for easy access. Go up to the top right-hand corner, find Dice Thrower, and click Pin icon to pin the dice to your toolbar. This will make accessing your dice super easy. Head back over to your Google Slides activity and you are ready to play. You may need to refresh your page before your dice will work correctly.